It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
My name's Jacob Heron. This is my 2005 Pontiac GTO. I have a few modifications done to it, mainly bolt-ons. I have the Cook's long tube headers, Cook's catless mid pipes, and SLP Bobcat exhaust. Cannon intake, and I put the functional ram air hood on it. This is called a Banshee hood, which everybody wants to buy from me with the GTO. No, it's not for sale. It's one of 322 actually built. I have the badge here under the hood. It's the Torrid Red package with the 6-speed manual transmission, and I guess it came with only 322 of these color in the package that it came with. I have a 6-putt clutch done to it, and a billet short shifter. That's pretty much it that's done to the car. I hope you enjoy the overview of the car, and I'll do a couple of rubs for you. Shout out to my friend Be That Guy on YouTube.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!